just a bit. First possession will go with the hands of Cebu Safari. Here comes Behok. First quarter action. Once again for Cebu Safari, we have Ted Saga, Behok, Elmer Chavez, a former USJR Jaguar. We have Kabahog and Behok. Meanwhile, once again for Real M, Gragi Sarahina, Wayne Caballero, Franz Arong, JP Perez, and Varga. Sarahina will attack. Kicks it outside. Arong, that's a three. That is all. First shot for Franz Arong is a miss. As the ball will stay with Real M Engineering. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Arong for three. No hesitation for Franz Arong. You don't want to leave that guy wide open. Franz Arong. Kabahog inside. Miscommunication. As the ball will stay with Cebu Safari. Banzon inside to Ted Saga. Saga looking for a teammate. Back outside. Behok. Behok. Nowhere to go. To Chavez against Sarahina. Two former Sisafi stars. Behok for the corner three. Not that time. Rebound. Kabahog. Kabahog with a shot. Kabahog. That's good. Joseph Kabahog. 3-2 is our score. Sarahina outside. Arong. Top of the key. Back to Varga. Back inside. Caballero with a top shot. Good defense with Ted Saga. Inside JP. Ball is stolen by Banzon. 2-on-2 break. Kyrie Banzon. Too much breaks from Kyrie Banzon. Losing the handle. Gragi Sarahina with a basketball. The Toledo native. Sarahina dancing. Back outside. Caballero against Cabao. Two lefties going at it. Caballero inside JP. Kicks it out to Varga for three. That is in and out for Varga. Inside to Saga. Saga to the cutting Kabahog. And Kabahog will miss. And a foul will be called for Real M. That's a foul on Wayne Caballero. Joseph Kabahog right now is at the line. First shot is good. Second shot is good as well for Joseph Kabahog. Now, Cebu Safari will have the lead, 4-3. Only Franz Arong so far for Real M who has been scoring. Caballero turnaround shot, not that time. Ted Saga with a basketball. Inside to Behok. Behok, fade away, off the glass. Back is not open for Behok that time. Rebound goes to Real M. Perez has the ball. Inside, Saga with a steal. 2-on-2 break. Saga against Sarahina. Nag-abot yata itong dalawang to on si Safi as good passing for Cebu Safari. It's Christian Behok will get that one to go. Arong will miss. Saga with the board. Here comes Banzon. Kabahog inside. Kabahog nowhere to go. Outside Banzon. Sets up. Fires. Three. Off the mark for Kyrie. Rebound by Varga. Ball is tapped. What a save by Caballero. He will miss. Varga inside over Joseph Kabahog. Takes the 5 now is our score. Elmer Chavez, no basket so far for the former Jaguar. Saga has the ball. Saga looking inside to Behok. Christian Behok, turn around, back outside to Chavez. Chavez, lay, no foul call. Good defense for Real M. Sarahina drops it to Perez. Perez, reverse. Yes, sir. JP Perez. Unexpected shot there from JP Perez. Not known as an athletic forward. As Ted Saga with an answer. 8-7. We're having a ball game, ladies and gentlemen. 5 minutes, 50 seconds remaining here in the first quarter. Sarahina has the ball. Arong outside to Varga. Varga, cross court. Gragi Sarahina, the former USPF Panther. Caballero back to Varga. Drops it to Perez for 2. Not that time. Sarahina secures the board. Back to Varga. Varga one more time. Nothing again for Varga. Cebu Safari will have the ball. Banzon outside. And Chavez attacks. Lay. Elmer Chavez. Another miss. 0 out of 2 for Elmer Chavez. Caballero against Banzon. Caballero with a spin. Drops it to Sarahina. Beautiful play for Real M. Nine to 10. Real M. Banzon with an answer. Where is the defense from Real M? Sarahina. Stop over Saga off the glass. Not that time. Rebound goes to Behok. It's a 3-on-2 break. Behok. Stop. Pop. Will not make that one drop. Banzon saves it. Back to Behok. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Behok. That's a 3. Short. Agong without the board. Outlet pass to Gagi Sarahina. Sarahina drops it to Varga, and Varga will score. And Cebu Safari will call a timeout. 11 to 10. Real M up by 1.
Grit, power, intensity. Want to feel all those in just one tap? Be on top of every game in just one glance. Be in the zone. Feel it in your core. Then be 1 inch closer to that victory roar. Embrace the pulse-pounding rush of taking risks. For every bell ring, every buzzer beater, and every goal. The cheers, the tumbles,
Back in the game after the timeout from Cebu Safari. 4:31 remaining, 11 to 10 is our score. On the floor for Cebu Safari, Banzon, Saga, Mangubat, Gomez, and Chavez. Mangubat for 3, off the glass. Bank is not open for Froilan Mangubat. Caballero inside Varga, drops it to JP. Easy basket for JP Perez. 13-10 now is our score. Mangubat has the ball outside Banzon, back to Mangubat. Mangubat inside to Saga against JP, back outside to Banzon. Inside Saga again, cross court. Chavez all the way. Choosing violence is Elmer Chavez, and Elmer Chavez will shoot 2. Wayne Caballero will be called for a foul. That is the second personal foul of Wayne Caballero. Elmer Chavez at the line and will miss the first one. Bad free throw there for Elmer Chavez. Second free throw for Chavez. That is good. 1 out of 2 for Elmer Chavez. We're going to have a substitution. Elmer Chavez will sit down. And the Laggett will check in for the first time for Cebu Safari. 13-11 is our score. Hayatoro has the ball. First time seeing action for Real M. Agong for 3. Bang! My goodness! 2 feet behind the line. Franz Agong with the 3. Second triple of the ball game for the former UV Green Lancer, Franz Agong. Garcia has the basketball. Outside to Froilan Mangubat. Back outside to Garcia. Garcia attacks. Cross court. Gomez swings it. The Laggett for 3. Answers back. Ryan Dalaggett answers back with the 3. 16-14. Sarahina outside. Dayatoro looking for a teammate. Dayatoro decides to attack. Back outside. Gagi Sarahina. Sarahina spins. Perez against 2. Perez fakes. Hayatoro. 2 seconds on the shot clock. Great defense for Cebu Safari. Here comes Mangubat. Layup for 2 for Garcia. We are tied at 16. Varga has the ball. Varga escapes, lays it. Nothing there for Varga. In and out. Gomez, outlet pass. Mangubat. Unsang Istaa. Froilan Mangubat lays it in. Well, that time, the type of fish is goldfish, as Froilan Mangubat sneaky on that lay. Timeout on the floor for Real M this time. Cebu Safari with a 2-point lead. Pass. Cebu Safari will have the ball. Ryan Dalagit with a touchdown. 2 points for Ryan Dalagit. Now it is a 4-point lead for Real M. Varga attacks. Varga scores. No. Rebound goes to the hands of Cebu Safari. Garcia has the ball. Garcia outside. Dalagit swings it. Manggubat 3. That's good. Froilan Manggubat. Hayatogo tries to answer. Not that time. Rebound inside. Carrascal. Dalagit. Inside with a lay. No. Ababa with a touchdown. Or Ababa with a putback rather. 25-16. All of a sudden, Cebu Safari. Varga spins. Sarahina. That's a 3. Finally, or technically passes it to Carrascal. It is down to 7. Outside Manggubat. The other side for 3. Not that time for Manggubat. Sarahina has the ball. Turning on the Jets. 51 seconds. Sarahina all the way. Throws it out of bounds. Cebu Safari basketball. To 18, less than 1 minute left here in the first quarter. Garcia outside to Dalagit. Dalagit looking for a teammate. Back outside to Dalagit. Finally passes it down low. Garcia with a cut. Beautiful find. Miscommunication lang. Di nakaamuyan itong dalawa. As Real M will have the ball back. Varga on the way. Varga for 2 off. Second try. One more for the third one. Third time is a charm for Ray Varga. 5-point lead, Cebu Safari. 10 seconds remaining on our game clock here in the first quarter. Dalagit inside to Ababa. Ababa with a shot. Ababa misses. 3 seconds remaining. Hayatoro, 1 second to beat the buzzer. And that is not going to go for Hayatoro. That is the end of the first quarter. 25-20 is our score. Cebu Safari up by 5 points. We are back at the game for the second quarter. Different looking starting unit for Real M. Hayatoro, Tan, Caballero, Carrascal, and Alivio on the floor for the man in blue. Meanwhile, for Cebu Safari, we have Manggubat. Ted Saga is back in the game alongside Gomez, Garcia, and Dalagit. Manggubat now, inside. Ted Saga, that's a shot. Patay butike for Ted Saga. Battle for the board, scramble for the loose ball. Real M will pick it up. Hayatoro all the way for 2. Skying high for Hayatoro. I mean, I watched this kid play before the PSL. Hayatoro can play as Manggubat in and out of the 3 points. And Real M will have the ball back. Going back to this kid, Hayatoro. Actually saw him play for JSM Customs in the PSL. Also played for Echo Form under the guidance of the former UV Green Lancer coach Phil Mercader. A Stan, lefty jumper, that is good. 1 point game, 25-24. Real M will have the ball back, or will is within striking distance as Dalagit will miss the 3. Carrascal will have the board. Caballero will push. Caballero loses the handle. Saga with a swipe. Garcia inside of the glass. The bag is not open for Garcia. Hayatoro will be called for a foul. Started with a Ted Saga swipe. And right now, Dalagit will check out of the game. We'll take a quick rest. Garcia will miss the free throw. 26-24 is our score. Gets 1, misses 1. Hayatoro. Outside Caballero. Caballero back outside Hayatoro. Great ball movement for Real M. Caballero, specialty of the house for Wayne Caballero. Not that time. Rebound, Carrascal against Taga. Ball is loose. Ball is picked up by Garcia. Here comes Cebu Safari. Garcia outside. Mangubat open for three. That is short for Froilan Mangubat. Garcia taps it out of bounds. Good save. Good effort for Garcia. Archie Garcia will check out of the game. Kyrie Banzon will check back in. Mangubat will check out as well. Elmer Chavez will check back in the ball game. Seven minutes, 48 seconds left in the first half. Tan with the basketball. Tan outside. Caballeros tries to swings it. Back outside to Ayatoro. 11 seconds on the shot clock for the man in blue. Ayatoro one-on-one on Banzon. Asking for a screen. Ayatoro attacks. Nowhere to go. Ball is loose. Banzon picks it up. It's Chavez like a freak train going all the way. Elmer Chavez extending his arms. Getting that lay plus a foul. That's a foul on Ayatoro. Ted Saga dapping up right now. First time seeing action for Cebu Safari. Did not play their previous game. 29-24, by the way, is our score. 5-point lead for Cebu Safari. Ayatoro with the basketball. Back outside. Caballero swings it. Tries to swing it, rather. Looking for a teammate. Back outside, Ayatoro. 8 seconds. Look at that excruciating defense from Cebu Safari. Tan attacks. Tan. Nowhere to go. Caballero shot. Tough one for Caballero. Saga flying out of the rebound over Carrascal. Saga stops looking for a teammate. Outside to Banzon. Banzon swings it outside. Cabahug. Et Chavez. Bump on Caballero. Or bump on Tan rather. Saga with a hook. Cabahug tries to get the rebound. Ayatoro attacks. Ayatoro. Not that time. Ayatoro gets a steal. One more for Ayatoro. Gets it back. 6:30. Ayatoro takes a jump shot. Still not gonna go. Ayatoro gets the board again. One more time for Ayatoro. And finally, Ayatoro gets the shot over Ted Saga. What an effort. Gusto yata ni Ayatoro. May depensa. Banzon. Inside. What a pass! Banzon. Teammate couldn't make it. 3-point lead for Cebu Safari. Ayatoro has the basketball. Inside Carrascal against Elmer Chavez. Outside Alivio, or Avila rather. That's a three. No, Carrascal is fouled by Ted Saga. And therefore, free throws coming in. Well, my apologies. It was Alivio who shoot earlier. Right now, Carrascal is at the line for two. Second free throw for Carrascal. That's a miss. Rebound. Elmer Chavez. 3-on-2 break. And Chavez all the way. Elmer Chavez will miss. Cabahug will tap it. Banzon back to Chavez. Blocked by Carrascal. Good defense. Good recovery from Real M. Ball is stolen. Takes the shot. And that is good. 31-26. 5 minutes, 22 seconds. Tan against Ted Saga. Tan bumping into Banzon. Tan, wild shot by Tan. Awkward looking shot. Chavez outlet pass. Ayatoro with a counter steal. Here comes Real M. Ayatoro against Banzon. Back outside to Tan. Tan with 12 seconds on the shot clock. Caballero for three. Off the bounce, nothing there. Chavez will have the ball. Chavez drops it to Cabahug with a lay. And after that layup, Real M will have a timeout, 33-26. With that time, Kagi Sarahina, by the way, is back alongside Varga, Perez, Franz, Arong. And Campas. Ball still in the hands of Entrampas. Inside for two. Not that time. For Entrampas. Cabahug. Varga stop. Shot. Good. Goyet Varga. Banzon. Cabahug. Back outside to Banzon. Ed Chavez with the ball. Ed Chavez doing work. Cabahug with a midi. Cabahug for two. Joseph Cabahug. Elmer Chavez with an assist. Sarahina saves it. What a save by Gagi Sarahina. Outside to Arong for three. That's good! Franz Arong. 3 triples. 35-31. Third triple of the ball game for Franz Arong, the former UV Green Lancer. Saga against Entrampas. Outside the one zone. Ed Chavez with the basketball. Attacks. Lay. Too strong. Battle for the board is going in the hands still of Cebu Safari. Another timeout will be called from Coach Gerald Elaya, Cebu Safari. 35-31, up by 4 against Rel M Engineering. Back in the game, 35-31. Once again, this game is brought to us by Wins Here. Win big with Wins Here. Win from within. Chavez with an inbound. Banzon back inside. It's Chavez. The foul will be called on Ted Saga. That's going to be on Ted Saga's second personal foul. That's going to be Saga's second personal foul. 35-31, 4-point lead. Arong outside of Varga. Varga back outside to Arong. Top of the key. Arong tries to shoot. Passes it instead to Sarahina. Another foul will be called, I believe, on Cebu Safari. That's going to be on Joseph Cabahug. Surita will check out. Froilan Mangubat is back in the game. Varga with a dipsy do. Oh, what a shot! Yet Varga. The lead is down to 2 for Rel M. Banzon outside to Mangubat. Inside to Saga. Saga back outside to Banzon. Ed Chavez has the ball. Got away with the travel there. Ed Chavez. Not that time. Saga with the ball. And Saga with a putback. Sarahina outside to JP. Back to Gagi. Arong has the ball. Varga. Floater. Goyet will miss. Here comes Elmer Chavez. Chavez. Outside. Mangubat with a midi. Mangubat will miss. Cold streak for Froilan Mangubat. Here comes Real M again. Varga. 3-on-1. Varga all the way. Passes it to Sarahina instead. Sarahina outside. Or Arong outside. He will miss the shot. Not that time for Franz Arong. Joseph Cabahug will sit down alongside Kyrie Banzon. Brian Gomez and Kid Tobaon will be checking in the ball game. Tobaon outside to Chavez. Chavez inside to Saga. Saga outside. Mangubat fakes. Drops it to Gomez. Gomez lays it in. Mr. Fundamental, Brian Gomez. Mangubat with the assist. Sarahina to Perez. Back outside, Sarahina. Inside, Entrampas. Easy basket from Entrampas. Defense caught sleeping. But the lead is still 4 for Cebu Safari. 1 minute, 22 seconds remaining. Gomez shoots, fires, scores. Back-to-back hits for Brian Gomez. Sarahina to JP. Outside to Arong. Against Kid to Baon. Back to Perez. That's a 3 over Gomez. Too strong on the shot. Rebound Elmer Chavez. Chavez outlet pass to Manggubat. Manggubat drops it to Gomez. Inside to Manggubat for 2. And finally, Froilan Manggubat get into the offensive track. So he will get that one to fall. 43-35, less than 1 minute remaining. 8-point lead. Manggubat with a steal. And that is a foul, a transition foul for Franz Arong. There will be a technical free throw. Froilan Manggubat switches the net on the first technical free throw. Second shot for Manggubat, that's good. 2 out of 2. Ball possession still goes to the hands of Cebu Safari. Tubaon has the ball outside. Pitogo. Saga cross court. Manggubat for 3 from the corner. That doesn't go. Gomez with a rebound. Gomez inside. Welcome to the Wild, Brian Gomez. Oh, that's their tagline for Cebu Safari. Hayatoro, stop. Not that time. Gomez secures the board. Gomez with an outlet pass to Tubaon. Ball is in the hands of Sagahina to beat the buzzer. Almost got it in. That's the end of the first half. 47-35 is our score. A 12-point. We are back at the game here in the second half of action. 47-35. Cebu Safari is leading by 12 points against Real M Engineering. And now, by the way, the third quarter, once again, we are live here at the Magnum Sports Complex, Apas, Cebu, for the second and last game of the Saturday doubleheader. Tubaon loses the ball, hits his foot. And that will be a turnover. Real M will have the ball back. Hayatoro. Outside Varga. Sagahina looking for a teammate. Entrampas shoots, fires, scores. Jay Entrampas gets it to go. The lead is cut down to 10. Tubaon outside. Manggubat attacks. Manggubat with a mid-range. Froilan in and out. Rebound goes to Varga. Sagahina follows the basketball. Sagahina floats one. Not that time for Gagi Sagahina. Here comes Saga. And Saga with almost the baby slam from Ted Saga. I thought they was going to slam that one home, but Ted Saga lays that one in. 2 points is a 2 points. Varga has the ball. Varga gets it back. Varga outside. Sagahina swings it to Hayatoro. Hayatoro switching hands mid-air. My goodness. Not bothered by the defense at all. Lead back to 10. Still a double-digit lead for Cebu Safari. Manggubat cross court. Pitogo 3. Misses one earlier. Misses one on this as well. Tubaon. Pitogo inside. Gets the 2 from Pitogo. Sagahina against Tubaon. Sagahina attacks. Sagahina to Varga. Varga to Caballero. Caballero decides to attack inside. Yes! The foul. And one opportunity for Wayne Caballero. That's the second personal foul on Ted Saga. That's his third. Third personal foul on Ted Saga. As Wayne Caballero will have a chance to get a 3-point play. Wayne Caballero is at the line, trying to complete the three-point play. This free throw is brought to us by Windsor. Win big with Windsor, win from within. As Wayne Caballero knocks down the free throw. Monte, first time seeing action here. Manggubat, inside, swings it to Garcia, or Behok rather, to Baon, outside to Manggubat. Great ball movement for Cebu Safari as Monte loses the ball. Hayatoro has it. Hayatoro inside, off the glass and in. 7-point game for Cebu Safari. Hayatoro has been good so far for Real M. To Baon, loses the handle. Ball is in the hands of Varga. Hayatoro with a back-to-back hits. Touchdown, Hayatoro. (51-46). Real M Engineering is within striking distance. To Baon inside to Cabahog. Cabahog with a footwork. Cabahog is fouled by Wayne Caballero. I believe that's Wayne's Caballero's second personal foul. That's his third already. Joseph Cabahog will get the first free throw. Second one for Cabahog is off. Rebound goes still with Joseph Cabahog. My goodness. Manggubat attacks. Manggubat spins. Awkward pass to Monte. Monte is blocked by Varga. That will be a shot clock violation for Cebu Safari. 52-46. Agong, or Varga rather. Varga kicks it outside. Hayatoro looking for a teammate. Caballero attacks, shoots, fires, scores! Wayne Caballero. 4-point lead for Cebu Safari. Cabahog outside. Banzon. Monte drops it to Cabahog and the big man connection. That is good. Mark Monte with an unselfish play. Agong outside Hayatoro. Hayatoro against Monte. Hayatoro inside. Hayatoro again. My goodness. Kamikaze. Hayatoro. 3 straight points for this kid. Cabahog swings it to Banzon. Banzon cross-court pass. Behok to Manggubat. 2 inches behind the line for 3. Gets it to go. Froilan Manggubat. Lead is back to 7 for Cebu Safari. Agong will try to answer with a 3. Short that time. Rebound goes to Hayatoro. 10 seconds remaining. Hayatoro. Back outside. Sagahina crosses. Lays it in. Kagi Sagahina. Unselfish. Or not scared, rather. Manggubat. One more time. Masyadong matalas for Froilan Manggubat. Cabahog. Behok. Monte. Outside to Banzon. Banzon to Cabahog. 1 second to shoot. Banzon. And that will not count. That will not count. As the ball is still in the hands of Kylie Banzon after the whistle. (57-52). 5-point lead for Cebu Safari. Caballero outside to Agong. That's a 3. Off the mark. Cabahog will have the board. Pass the ball to Banzon. Banzon tries to thread the needle. Varga inside. Foul down low for Cebu Safari. There's a second personal foul for Joseph Cabahog. Dalagit is back in the game. Sarahina inside. Caballero loses the handle. Scramble for the loose ball. Banzon passes it to Chavez. Chavez all the way. That's a two from Elmer Chavez. Varga. Arong for three. Way short from Franz Arong. A little bit gassed. Itong si Franz Arong. 59-52 is our score. Banzon. Dalagit back to Banzon. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Outside to Chavez. Chavez looking for a teammate. Dalagit will have the ball. Dalagit behind the back. Dalagit trying to be a wizard on that dribble. Sarahina against Banzon. Gragi to Arong. Arong for two off the glass and in. Lead is 5. Cabahog spins. Nowhere to go. Passes it to Banzon. 2:52 left here in the third quarter. Inside Cabahog. Shot. That is good. And Arong will be called for his third foul, as Joseph Cabahog will shoot one to complete the three-point play. My apologies, that's the second foul for Franz Arong. Joseph Cabahog will be at the line, tries to complete the three-point play. No, he won't. Carrascal will secure the rebound. Sarahina with the ball. Sarahina outside and Trampas. Back outside. Hayatoro. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Hayatoro decides to attack. Good defense by Dalagit. And it's a 3-second violation for Real M. Cebu Safari basketball. 2 minutes, 16 seconds left. Banzon to Chavez. Chavez with a cross. Chavez with a sidestep. Chavez is fouled and he will shoot two at the line. Well, the good thing about Cebu Safari is that they are very balanced. Everybody is contributing, not just in the points department, but also the defense, also the intangibles, the hustle plays. Meanwhile, for Real M, I believe they're just relying to at least two guys in Hayatoro and Arong. And Elmer Chavez will get the free throw. 63-54 is our score. Sarahina, 2 minutes exactly remaining here in the third. Sarahina attacks, spins, shot for Gragi. Not that time. Rebound, Carrascal. And a foul will be called on Kyrie Banzon. Sarahina inbounds. Perez outside. Entram pass. Ball is loose. Ball is stolen. Dalagit has the ball. Dalagit all the way. Ryan Dalagit. There's the two. Sarahina outside of Perez. Back to Sarahina. Sarahina against Gomez. Inside. Entram pass. Shot. Not that time. Battle for the board. Cebu Safari wins it. Nine-point lead for Cebu Safari. Dalagit. Outside Garcia. Chavez attacks. Kicks it out to Dalagit. Dalagit. Shot. That is not gonna go. Cabahog picks it up. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Garcia for three. Off the mark. Rebound battle. Goes in the hands of Tan. Tan will go all the way. Nope, he will settle things down. Hesitation from Tan. There's a foul down low for Cebu Safari. Gagi Sarahina will sit down. Hayatoro is back in the game. Tan has the ball. Back outside to Hayatoro. JP is open. Why are they not passing the ball to JP Perez? He's open. Dalagit has it. Dalagit drops it to Manggubat. Misses the shot. Bothered by the defense of... Hayatoro outside. Tan to Perez. Back to Hayatoro. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Outside to JP. Perez for 3. Off the mark. Rebound goes in the hands of Cabahug. Cabahug has the ball. Cabahug inside to Manggubat. Good find by Joseph. Cabahug and Manggubat will score. Timeout on the floor. 12-point lead. 72-60. We are back in the game after the timeout. 8 minutes, 19 seconds, 72-60. As Chavez once again will score for Cebu Safari. Arong with the ball. To Caballero, back to Arong. Hayatoro from the side. Hayatoro behind the back. Garcia with the steal. Garcia threading the needle. Dalagit with the lay. Touchdown, Dalagit. Hayatoro. Outside Arong. Varga has the basketball. Varga to Hayatoro. Great ball movement for Real M. Caballero with the shimmy off the glass. Not that time. Ball tap out. Stays. Or the ball stays with Real M. Sarahina is back in the game. Sarahina is, by the way, Sarahina is back in the game and the pass will be out. Hayatoro gets it back. Hayatoro loses the ball. Ball stays with Real M with 8 seconds on the shot clock.